Hey YouTube, it's your girl Nazan again with another TikTok dance tutorial. Today we're doing Cardi B's Coronavirus remix. Let's get into it. Step
Hey.
one. So the first step is to bring it around town.
Stop on your right foot, don't forget it! Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town.
And then clap. Okay? So your left arm, it's going in a circular motion. Your right arm is also going in the circular motion simultaneously. And as your right arm is going in a circle, so is left leg. Okay? So, ooh, you saw that? I saw the Matrix.
Hey.
That was nice. But yeah, think of it like that. So you're just going around like that and then clap. Okay? So after you bring it around town, left leg goes out, hit. Okay? Good. Let's do that again. Clap. Good. Clap. Good. All right. So let's keep it going. All right. So step 2.
Hey.
So after we do the clap, then you're coming up. Okay? So your right fist is going to the left shoulder while your hip is popping out. Then your left fist is going to your right shoulder, and you're leaning with it. So wherever your arm is going, whatever arm you're reaching, you're popping it out. Pop it out. Boom. Okay? So let's do that again. Pop, pop, boom. And then you give yourself like a pause. Kind of tiptoe up on your toes, and then you're gonna drop into your left elbow twice, okay? So you're gonna boom, 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 tiptoe, drop, 2, switch, 2, okay? Good. So let's try it again. Boom, boom, pow. Elevate, tap into it. 1, 2, okay? So let's do it again. So right fist, left shoulder, left fist, right shoulder. Pop it out. Get on your tippy toes, and then head bud twice. Head bud twice. And you're doing the movements like you're moving forward. Don't stand in one position, okay? Get a little loose with it when you're doing the step out, okay? So one more time. Boo, boom, pow. Head bud into it. 1, 2. Okay? Good. Alright, step 3.
Hey.
Up with your left arm, down. Up with your right arm, down, down. Okay? So that's the move, but here's the timing, okay? So with your left arm, it's gonna go fast. And as your left arm is going out, so is your right leg. It's just going out. Okay, that's all it's doing. Okay, so out, slow it down, down. Okay, so fast, slow it down, down. Fast, slow it down, down. Good. All right, step 4.
Hey.
So this is where it gets fun, okay?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
So, left arm, slow it down, dab. Your arms drop, okay? It should be by your side. But then you're gonna get into a squatting position, and you're gonna move it up, boom, okay? So you're in a squat position, and your legs are going in. So it's like, I don't even know how to describe it, y'all. Duck walk or something, that's what it is, but you're just, okay? And at the same time your leg is doing this, your arms are moving upward, okay? So I think it's like a 3, so you move it, let's say 3 levels, okay? So 1, 2, 3, okay? And then you're out, okay? So 1, 2, 3, okay? Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And then you're done. Good. step 5. So
Hey.
after you bring it up, boo, 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 then you're gonna rip it back down to your chest. You're gonna go forward to the left, sway. Okay? Then you're gonna extend your arms to the right, and then cross. So it's okay if you didn't get it. You're good. We're about to run it back. Run that back, turbo. Okay? So as soon as we come out, boom, jerk your arms here, forward, left, sway. Extend, right, sway. Okay? All right, so let's run it back from the beginning real quick so we can review, okay? So, wrist clap. It's real. It's getting real. It's getting real. Wanna wrist slow. Get it real. It is getting real. It's getting real. It's pow, pow, pow. Okay. Alright, so this is the last step, okay? So after you forward, side, sway, extend, side, sway, then you're gonna turn to the side, okay? Then it doesn't matter which arm, just as long as it's your opposite leg pops out, okay? So boom, boom, you're turning because you're about to cough, then whoa, okay? So again, back here, boom, 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 extend, side, sway, then you turn to the side, opposite arm, opposite leg, opposite arm, opposite leg, you're turning, cough, cough, whoa, okay? Good. So let's try it again. So you turn to the side, opposite arm, opposite leg, turning, cough, cough, whoa, and then you're done. So let's run it back to the beginning, all right? All right, coronavirus, it is real, it's getting real, it's getting real. Coronavirus, getting real, it's getting real, it's getting real. Coronavirus, getting real, it's getting real. Whoa. Okay, good. So let's do it with the music. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
Period, poo, you did
As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Always appreciate it. Coming to you again with more footage, more videos, more fitness videos, all that. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I got thrifting videos, I got hair videos, fitness videos, and dance tutorials. So if there's a TikTok that you guys want me to break down, I'm your girl.